Letter Q. Quilt. Q. Queen. Question. Quite. Quill. Quarter. Trace and write.
Rainbow with clouds button art. Take different sized big and small buttons and stick them as per the shape of the rainbow with the help of glue. For clouds, stick cotton as shown in the picture.
Cycle of plant.
Cycle of plant. Bigger plant are called trees.
Trace the parts of the plant neatly.
Books are in the box. Books are out of the box. A dog is in the kennel. A dog is out of the kennel. Pencil is in the box. Pencils are out of the box.
Color the bird in the nest.
Letter R. Road. Robot. Rocket. Robin. Rod. Rain. Rope. Trace and write.
Number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Write the number.
Sunflower. Jasmine. Marigold. Rose. Daisy. Lotus. Violet. Orchids. Trace the line to connect the flowers.
A lion and a rabbit. Once a lion said to all the animals in the forest that if one of them will come to him as his meal for the day, he would not kill anyone else among them. All the animals agreed to this. One day, it was a rabbit's turn, and it took quite long reaching the lion. The lion asked, "What is the reason for being late?" It acted wisely and said, "Sir, I was stopped by another lion, who was claiming to be the king of the jungle, and he wants to meet you." "So do I," said the furious lion. The rabbit took the lion to a well and showed him his reflection in the water of the well. The lion jumped into the well to catch his opponent and drowned. How intelligently the rabbit got rid of the wild beast. Moral: wisdom is stronger than physical strength.
Count backward. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Write backward counting from 20 to 1. Oranges and lemon.
Oranges and lemons sold for a penny. Oh, don't